I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, clear the work area and remove grates and burners so you can access affected metal. Once parts are out, soak removable pieces in warm, soapy water to loosen grease. This makes rust removal more effective. Use a stainless steel brush or a non-scratch 3M pad to break surface rust. Why? Because abrasive steel wool leaves iron particles that re-rust stainless steel. Move briskly, but controlled. Focus on direction with the grain to avoid new scratches. Once surface rust is loosened, apply a neutralizing agent. A baking soda paste or 3% vinegar spray works well. Let it dwell for 10-15 minutes to chemically lift corrosion. Then scrub along the stainless grain with a nylon brush to avoid cross scratches. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and immediately dry with a microfiber cloth to prevent flash rusting. If pits remain, carefully use a fine 0000 stainless pad or commercial stainless cleaner. Working gently reduces metal loss while restoring finish. You finish by protecting metal. After cleaning and drying, apply a thin coat of food-safe mineral oil or high-temp grill oil to grates and exposed stainless. This creates a moisture barrier. Reassemble only when parts are bone dry, then heat the grill for 10-15 minutes to cure the oil and stabilize the surface. If stubborn rust or deep pitting remains, replace the affected parts or seek professional repair. Troubleshooting tip: if rust returns quickly, check for trapped moisture or incompatible cleaners that left iron residue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.